Welcome back to the channel. A lot of you guys were asking for credits as you need for doing skill patches, and you have very less credits remaining or no credits. So here is the video tutorial how to claim credits for doing labs and enhance your cloud learning journey. So first of all, you need to check this video description and I will share step-by-step guide, so make sure to watch it carefully. So as you can see, now we have to open this link. Make sure you are signed out of your Qwiklabs or Google Cloud Skills Boost account. Now here is the code you have to enter. Enter it, click on I am not robo and then fill the captcha. Now click on verify, then submit. Now from here select the lab name. Now from here you can click sign in with Google. Now select your email ID. Just like you signed in normally, you have to select your email ID. On start lab, now you have two options that you have to wait for 4 to 5 minutes, maximum 6 minutes, and then once it's done you will be able to see here credits. So now wait. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Also like the video. After 4 to 5 minutes, let's see what is the progress. So you can click on your profile picture and click on the credits number, that is 9 might be showing in your case. Then you will be able to see first and the lab. Now this page will open. So now you have to refresh it. Try refreshing it. First attempt it didn't work, so now I will refresh again. So as you can see, we got 400 credits, and now you will be able to do more number of labs, so do check it out. Meanwhile, you can also refer to the playlist for amazing solutions. 10 labs per day. In labs you will get 10 skill badges, so make sure you use most of it. And do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Do comment whatever you need, and thank you guys.